Hello workshop, this is our first weekly feedback video. I'm going to start today by answering a frequently asked question that I've received from other groups. It's how we're going to be turning in assignments since there was a change. Since this class only meets once a week, it's pretty much the same. It didn't really change for us, but I'll talk about it anyway. So before, we were supposed to turn in assignments the day they were assigned before midnight. Now we have one day each week to turn in assignments. Since we meet on Fridays, it's still the same day, it's still Fridays, so nothing changed there. And the idea was to give students more time to complete their assignments. But since this class, like I said, there's really no change because we only see each other once a week. So every Friday, you can start earlier in the week, by the way. You'll just have to turn in your assignments to me each Friday before midnight, and the dates are in the guide that you've received. So that being said, we had an activity. It was about mindfulness. I want to very briefly go over that concept. So this is very different from daydreaming because when you daydream, you are letting your mind wander and you're not paying attention to your thoughts. You're just kind of pondering whatever comes to mind. Now, the opposite of that would be mindfulness. It's still similar in the fact that it's relaxed, but it's focused. That's what makes it different. When you're being mindful or when you're practicing mindfulness, you are being aware of your thoughts, your feelings, and your surroundings, what is around you. So it's a good way to kind of analyze what you are perceiving, what you're thinking. In other words, you're thinking about thinking. So that hopefully cleared up any confusion you might have had about that activity, and it also kind of informed you as to what the most important takeaway was from that activity. That's really all I have for us today. Now, if you have any questions or concerns throughout the week, please feel free to let me know. And next week in the follow-up video, I will be glad to go over them or to explain in more detail. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.